Hello everyone, this is Roman. Welcome back to my channel. Today we will make a cream puff with vanilla, chocolate and peanut. First we will start by the cream puff with milk, flour, butter, eggs, salt and sugar. We start by heat the milk with the salt, sugar and butter. Soon as it's boiling, we will add the flour and mix it well to dry it out. So now that the cream puff is ready, we will add little bit by little bit the eggs. Make sure to mix well before to incorporate more eggs. To pipe the cream puff the same size, we will use a parchment paper and we will use a little color and a Sharpie. And what we'll do, we will trace the round on a paper. So now that our round are traced, we will be able to place the SILPAIN on top of it. And you will be able to see the round on the bottom to be able to pipe it. So we will fill up our pastry bag and start to pipe the cream puff on the sheet tray. To pipe, give some pressure on a bag and stop soon as you reach the line. The cream puff is piped on the tray, so now we will spray a little bit of vegetable spray. And on top of that, we will add some powdered sugar. Then we will put it in the oven at 365 Fahrenheit for 30 to 35 minutes. So the cream puff are in the oven, so now we will make the pastry cream. So we will use some milk, some sugar, some vanilla extract, some butter, some cornstarch and some egg yolks. First we will mix the sugar and the cornstarch very well. Then we will add the egg yolks and mix it until everything is well incorporated. We will heat the milk with the vanilla. Soon as it's boiling, we will pour it on top of the previous mix and mix it well. Then we will pour everything back in a saucepan and cook it well for 1 minute when it's boiling. Then we will add the small pieces of butter and mix it until it's well incorporated. To cool down the pastry cream, we will put it on a sheet tray with a plastic wrap. Like this, it will cool down faster. And then we will put the plastic wrap on top. And we can put it 30 minutes in a cooler. The pastry cream is in a cooler, so now we will do the chocolate sauce with chocolate, corn syrup and milk. We will heat the milk and add the corn syrup. Soon as it's boiling, we will add it on top of the chocolate. Then use the egg mixer to mix it well. The cream puffs are baked and cold now, so now we will cut the top of the cream puff. Cream puffs are cut in 2 pieces, so now we will add some peanut butter and also some salty peanuts on the bottom. First we will add some peanut butter and then some peanut pieces on the bottom. So now the pastry cream is cold, so we will add it to the cream puff. Fill up with the pastry cream until you reach the top. So now we will finish the cream puff with some mascarpone vanilla whipped cream with cream, vanilla, mascarpone and snow sugar. Mix all the ingredients together and whip the cream until it's smooth. And now with the star tip we will pipe the whipped cream on top of the cream. Then we will put the top and sprinkle some snow sugar. You can of course just eat it like that, but we will also decorate it on a plate to show you different options. First, let's put some chocolate sauce. Then we place the cream puff on the middle and add cocoa peanuts around. Eat the rest of the sauce and pour it over the top. Et voilà, our cream puffs are done. I hope you enjoyed the video. If yes, please thumbs up. I will put the recipe down below for you to redo it at home. If you also want to see more about my next video, please subscribe, and I will see you next time.